Hi everybody, it's Neil here again from Car Clinic, bringing another Car Clinic tip about our 10-point inspections. Normally these inspections are very good for winter, just for having a quick check-up on those things that you need to know can get you through the winter months safely, so you can see where you're going without any problems. One of the first things that we'd check would be our wiper blades, to make sure that they're not smearing on the screen, they're not split, and they clear the screen so you've got great visibility. The second thing that we'd actually check is your lights. Make sure that all the lights are working, so when it's dark and when it's dusky you can be seen and you can see. On this one we've actually just done a headlight restoration, so the lights used to be foggy and now nice and clear, so you get a better vision. Under the hood we'll actually check your levels, so we'll make sure your washer fluid is full, your coolant and antifreeze is correct, your oil level is good, your brake fluid is also good. Making sure all the levels are okay, so just in case you're going on a winter trip, that everything's good and you're not going to be stuck on the side of the road just because you might need some light maintenance. The next thing that we'll check is your tyres. Again, just to make sure your tyre pressures are all set to the correct tyre pressures and that you've got good road tread that's good for the winter months that's coming. While we're there, we can visibly check your brakes and make sure that they are okay and they're not worn out, and if you're taking a trip or you're going through those long winter months, that you're not going to have any braking problems either. The other thing, just to make sure that you can make sure that the car's starting every single day, is make sure that the battery is fully charged. On this vehicle the battery is actually hiding under this little cover here, but we can check the battery and we'll check the starter and we'll check the alternator with the special tester that we have, just to make sure that they're all working in optimum condition again, so that the cold doesn't get you caught out keeping you cold.